Good morning, students. Today we are going to do Geography Lesson 4 Agriculture, that is from page number 42. Our first topic is there. Name some fiber crops that carries 1 mark. Some of the fiber crops are cotton, jute, hemp and silk. Our next topic is there. Classify these fiber crops. These fiber crops can be classified into two categories. First is their number A, crops grown in the soil, that is cotton, jute and hemp. And second category is there crops obtained from cocoons of silkworms, that is silk. These are the two categories of the crops. Three are obtained from the plants and one is obtained from the silkworm, that is insect. Question 3. What is sericulture? It is also containing 1 mark. Rearing of silk worms for the production of silk fiber is known as sericulture. That much only you have to write for 1 mark question. Question 4. Explain the conditions required for the growth of cotton. It contains 3 marks. First point you write, it grows well in drier parts of black cotton soil of the Deccan Plateau region. Next is there number B, point number 2. It requires high temperature, light rainfall or for irrigation and then 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. The next is there number C. It is a kharif crop and requires 6 to 8 months to mature. Number D. Major cotton producing states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, then Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Gujarat is the leading producer state of cotton in India. Okay. Question number 5. Explain the conditions required for the growth of jute or golden fiber. Sometimes in the exam they are giving the question features of golden fiber, conditions required for golden fiber, or else if they are asking jute. It contains 3 marks. First point, it grows well on well-drained, fertile soils in the floodplains where the soils are renewed every year. Second point, it requires high temperature during the time of growth. Third point, major jute producing states of India are West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha and Meghalaya. Out of that, West Bengal is the leading producer state of jute in India. Question 6. Mention some uses of jute. 1 mark question. It is used in making gunny bags, mats, ropes, yarn, carpet, and other artifacts. Gunny bag means the bora bags which are used for packing rice, wheat, sugar, etc. Mats means doormats. Ropes means these ropes are being generally used for making industrial uses. Yarn, jute yarn has been sent to the textile industries for producing jute textiles, carpets, and other decorative materials such as the jute pockets which are being made and kept in our drawing rooms. These are the jute artifacts. Even nowadays, lampshades are being also made out of jute. They are also in the category of artifacts. Question 7. Why is the jute industry losing its market? 1 mark question. 2 points you can write. Due to its high cost, the production cost is very high. It is labor intensive and input is required very high. That's why the cost of production is very high. Second, due to synthetic fibers like nylon, the alternative fibers like nylon has come in the market. They are much cheaper than the jute. That's why the jute industry is losing its market. Next question, inverted comma it is there, question 8. In spite of development of sources of irrigation, most of the farmers in large parts of the country still depend on monsoon and natural fertility of the soil. Explain. It is a skill based question answer, 3 marks. First point, most of the peninsular rivers are non perennial. They get the water during the monsoon season. Rest of the season the rivers dry up and farmers are not able to irrigate their fields with the water of those rivers. Second point, most of the farmers are poor and cannot afford the modern resources inputs of agriculture like HYV seeds, fertilizer, insecticide, pesticides, etc. Third point, most of these resources reaches late in the rural areas for the farmers, which is of no use. If these fertilizer insecticide will reach during the time of harvesting of the crops, then they are of no use and the farmers are not able to utilize these resources, and thus they are not able to produce in quantity and quality wise, and they are bound to depend on the natural fertility of the soil and monsoon for irrigating their fields. Thank you. Please complete these question answers in your classwork geography classwork copy.